Okay, we're doing a video testimonial on one of our customers that's highly satisfied with one of the jobs that we did for her and the way that it turned out. And so I'm going to be asking her about 4 different questions to get some feedback on what she thought about her service. And so I'm going to let her introduce herself, and then I'll start answering the questions.
All right, thank you so much. I'm a homeowner in Columbia, Maryland. I have an older home that has a flat roof. As part of it is also pitch. I would say probably over the past 10 years, I've had problems with leaks off and on, old drainage systems, and I recently underwent a remodel. And when I had leaking onto my new cabinets in my kitchen, I said that was it. I needed to get a new roof. And so what I did, I'm like a Google junkie. I did a lot of extensive research, Google searches, Yelp searches, as well as the Better Business Bureau. And I was really looking for a company that specialized in flat roofs and had proven experience, as well as had great reviews. And so I narrowed the number of companies down, had conversations with Mr. Maurice, was just very, very pleased with the information that he provided to me. He gave me a lot of details, encouraged me to go do some research on the Duro-Last system, which I did. Anytime I had a question or a concern, I could easily reach him and he answered those questions. The entire process has just been very, very seamless.
Great, good to hear, Mrs. Janine. And how did you hear about us there?
Like I said, I'm like a consummate Google junkie. I do a lot of research, and actually that's how I found the company. And not only just the reputation of the work that they've done in the customer service, but also the vision and the values of Mr. Maurice. So it all aligned with what I was looking for.
Okay, great to hear. And would you recommend our service to others?
Oh,
and if so, why?
Absolutely. I would just say, like I said, starting with just the conversations that I initially had with Mr. Maurice about my roof. Went up on the roof, he provided videos, took pictures, we walked through everything, he bought samples of the materials, asked it, had no problems answering all of my questions, and I had quite a bit. And so I just felt comfortable and confident, and based upon the work that he's done and some of the more technical aspects of the job that he was more than willing to provide details about, just made me comfortable and confident that they would do a good job. I love the fact that he provided videos every day and pictures on the work that was being done. Again, was showing materials and just really helped to walk through the process. So I felt very, very confident. The entire team, extremely friendly, extremely courteous. They were here on time. One of the important things is the cleanup. So I didn't have materials and things like that at the end of the day that's left around my home. So they just overall did an excellent, excellent job. I would just very, very highly recommend them and their services.
Okay, great. Good to hear, Ms. Janine. And yeah, we really appreciate the testimonial that you gave us. Okay.
You're more than welcome. I'm thrilled with my roof. It rained last night. I checked. I have no leaks, so I'm very, very happy.
Okay, great. Good to hear. Okay, over and out.